guys, how's it? It's a blessing sent straight from God. I was out in the rain just now and it felt pretty amazing. I went to go smoke with my friend. On the way back, the rain caught me. It was lovely. You know, the heat has been drastic this past week, eh? So I needed this for myself. They say the body is a temple, and my temple has been on a drought. Let me tell you, this rain has been very lovely for me. My mom gave me this coat, and it's pretty warm. I won't lie, it's pretty warm. The thing is, I think I'm just gonna stand out here until the cigarette is done, and then it's back inside. Going to upload this YouTube video. As you can see, the roof needs repairs. Yeah, this is not my actual house. This is the house that I was born in. I'm going to live with my mother, as I said, and it's gonna be fun from there. I won't lie. I won't lie. Apart from the coffee and the food, which is gonna be different every day, curries, rice, yellow curry called curry kitchery. It's sour and strong, made with onions and dhania. I don't know what's the English name for it. I don't know. Um, but we'll get to find out. Coriander, I think it's coriander. If I'm not mistaken, I think dhania is coriander. It's green leaves that they use, and they use parsley and stuff like that. So yeah, man. Mind the voices, they stupid. The voices actually come from the number, and it said that those that expose the number are gonna die. So I'm not scared. I've been through things. I've seen things, literal seen things. I don't want to speak about it unless you guys comment and ask me what. You guys should like, share, and subscribe my content. Like, share, and subscribe to my content. I need to get my phrasing right. I need to get my act all together. Hi. I wish I could fly. That would be amazing. I would fly to the US. Like, my dream is to go live in the US. Before I die, I need to live there at least 1 year. There the game is played heavy. I wanna play the game. Them talk of Daddy and 50 Cent having AIDS and Marshall Mathers. There's heavy scandals going on in the US that people are covering up. There's a BMW